What's up, PJ? How's it going? Turbo. Is Turbo moving? I'll wait for some more people to get up in here. There are only 4 people watching at the moment. Just a quick. Just figured I'd get on while I have internet service. I miss doing the streams. But how you doing, PJ? What's up, Boxy? Crypto, if you had only $100 to put on any crypto, where would you put it? I'd probably put it on Degen right now. Degen's about to pump. I was looking at it earlier. She held up real nicely here. Oh yeah, real nicely, holding up over the 618 and the 382. Another pattern just like back here in the bull flag when she took off. So if it's going to repeat the chart here, I would put $100 on here. Not financial advice. It may be gearing up. It doesn't have to, but maybe gearing up for a new high. Just to repeat the cycle here. Of course, it could just come up and make a slightly, come up above the 786. Still 100% move. But yeah, Degen's potential good 2x right now. That's my answer to that. Yeah, I just did an update on MOG. What's up, Fear and Loathing? Yeah, MOG's bullish right now. It looks good, but the only thing with MOG is it's already up 200+%. Or 200x, that is. I don't know how much higher it's going to go. That's why something like Degen here, it's holding double support. It's in a bullish falling wedge pattern here. It's holding up nicely here. This thing's about to pump. Just for a little quick, 2x on your money here. Oh, you're up 52% since yesterday. That's good. Yeah, she's bullish right now. MOG is. What's up, Dennis? Yeah, I just covered Arrow too. Arrow looks good, but we've been saying that over the last updates and last couple of live streams that Arrow was about to start running, and she's running. Not looking bad. Turbo. Where's Turbo? Oh yeah, Turbo held up and she's moving. Yep, she held our 007 level, bull flag pattern, and now she's breaking out, it appears. Next stop up is a penny and a half, hopefully, to that billion market cap. But yeah, Turbo looks really good here. What's up, Benjamin? NKN or Jasmy? I forgot about NKN again. Well, Jasmy's already pumping, so I don't know what NKN is doing. Turbo's going to get listed on Coinbase. We got Saul Goodman, gifted 1 membership. I appreciate that, my man. Appreciate that a lot. Yeah, they just listed what? Moodang and a MOG coin. So why not Turbo? Sub D Crypto. I appreciate that gifted membership. Saul. Yeah, we just looked at Degen. Just like with Turbo here. Bullish pattern, a pullback, held support, and now she's starting to run. But yeah. As we wait for more people to come in. Yeah, we just went over Degen. Degen looks so good here. Once it breaks over 2-3, she's going to go. Hopefully it's like last time where it just has a giant candle spawn in here. I wish I had more money on it though. I got 50 bucks on it. That's all I had. SMZD, how's it going? He says Velodrome. Yeah, Moonwell's looking good too. And I was just looking at Velo. Velo's pumping. Velodrome looks real good here. But we've been saying that. Once it started to pull away from the trend and had the double bottom with the higher low, it held support. She's running. Right now, you are getting stuck at the 618 high to the low. Right into the 618 here at 17.8. But you are above the 17 or 786 here. So as long as you're above 16, 17.8, 18 pennies is your price to beat here. But yeah, it looks good. And depending on where you want to draw your other one. Yeah, I would just focus on the 786 here. Nice move on Velo. And then Velo to the 1618 at $1 at 833 million market cap. And from today, that is now a little over a 5.5x on this thing. Velo's going to be a good play. And potentially a 22, 23x to a $3.4 billion market cap to 4. Turbo confirmed to be listed on Coinbase. Yep, they're listing all those coins. What's up, Kubos? What's up, Chris? Yeah, I just covered PNG and Arrow on the channel. There's a lot of things that are moving right now. PNG, the red box here. I think I drew this on the update. But yeah, there's an update on it. As long as we can get through this box here. Excuse me. When we get through the box here, PNG is going to start flying. You can see that is the high to the low, 618 at the bottom here. At 4.4 up to 4.8. Once we get through this box, there's nothing stopping it from going, really. Well, you have the 786, but you get the idea. High to the low, breakout over the 618, and then the 1618 is a huge deal. Potentially through the box, a 38% move up and then higher. But yeah, she looks good. Arrow's moving. Arrow's looking real good. Like I said, we've been mentioning that. Let's see. She coiled up here and she's going. Potentially a new all-time high soon. I already have that drawn. What am I doing? Yeah, you're over the 786. There's really nothing else to say on it here. As long as you're above 162, you're bullish here. You just made a higher high once again. We'll see if it can break through here. If it can break through, then the higher high is in play. And then you should hold for support. As long as we don't get... Well, we can still get stuck here and pull back, and you'd still be macro bullish on this thing. Even if it makes a lower high and comes back down. Just be prepared for about a 26, 27% drop there. NKN. NKN, let's see here. Oh yeah, NKN's bullish too. This thing pumped out of the bottom pattern here, just like everything else. Damn, we should have caught NKN down here. Why is my chart like this? But yeah, you're over the 236. The macro bottom is in. As long as you're over 10, you're good to go. But you said NKN or Jasmine. I mean, Jasmine's already up, already over 5 pennies. So if you're not in on Jasmine, you missed it, in my opinion. High to the low, you're above the 618, so that is good over 2123 here. Yeah, this thing looks good right now. Needs to get over 16 up to 17 and a half, and then you're macro bullish here. And then up to the 786 retracement at 592 million market cap to 71, 72. A decent 5x on NKN here. And then if it's going to hit a new high, 2.7 billion market cap up to 385. A decent 27x. But yeah, I like NKN. I just forgot about it. What did I miss? We got Sir Beard says Tomy. I appreciate the 2. Tomy, what is Tomy? Tomy, never heard of this one. Jeez. Looks like it found a bottom, a V-shaped recovery. Did you buy this thing? It's really all we can do with it. High to the low. Needs to get over the 236 at 4 pennies to confirm the bottom. But I don't know what this is. We go that high to the low. You're over the 236 at 19. So as long as you're over, we'll say 19 pennies then, or 192, 2 pennies. The short-term bottom is in, but you have to get over that macro there. And then where's this thing going to end up? Like I said, I have no idea what this is. Not a great looking chart. Oh my lord. A 70x to come back up to the 786 retracement at 161. Is that possible? Tomy. I mean, I would say this is, I don't know what this is. Like I said, I would say it's a gamble. If you somehow bought here and figured that was the bottom, you know, good luck is all I can say. Maybe it does a 618 retracement up to 52. 23x. Why do I keep doing that? Yeah, on a V-shaped recovery like this, when it just goes straight up like that, it could easily come straight back down. So I wouldn't touch it, I guess, until over 4 pennies to confirm the bottom and some follow through here, because this does not look good at all. Kind of reminds you of the Vara chart. Hold on, I'm missing something here. Aaron for 2 says XCN and AOS, please. Let me make this bigger. XCN is probably still in the same spot. Or did it pump some more? No, she's over the 236. Macro bottom is in here. As long as you stay over 2.6, the price to beat on the macro is 0.059, 0.006, and getting you over the 382 and the trend here. But yeah, XCN's another one that I missed. Looks good. So the macro bottom is in. Next big price to watch, like I said, is that 0.006 level. Other thing we can do on XCN here, bring up the right tool to begin with. Let's see, high to the low. Yeah, you're above the 618, 236 here, so she's in good shape as long as you stay over that level there. Price to beat is 3.2, and that'll send you up potentially to the macro 3.2. So as long as you can hold over 0026 down to 25, 114, 15% move is in play here. But it looks good. AOS, what is AOS doing? Oh yeah, AOS is in a real good shape here. Sitting perfectly, bullish looking candle right above the previous high on the chart we have here, the KuCoin chart, after it broke out here. Yeah, as long as you're sitting above that previous high here, you're in real good shape. If it pulls back a little bit, dips down, as long as you're above 95. The other thing we can do here is go high in the pattern here to the low on AOS, and smaller prices to watch. You can see there's a 1272. Well, let me pull this down. 147 potential next price to beat on this thing. So another 20% move to 147, and then 174 would be about a 42% move, and then so on and so forth. 80% move to 220, and then once I get over that 1618, that should send you up to the 1272 at 427. But AOS looks good here. And that first big target, 4.8 billion market cap and a 3.5x. But yeah, the whole chart here, AOS has just been going up forever. It's nice to see it busted out of our bullish pattern there. So hopefully that helped. I appreciate the 2. Jack B, how's it going? What's up, Sean? What's up, Silver? If I missed you, how's everyone doing? We got Jack B for 4, Jasmine update, and XTZ. Excuse me. I appreciate the 4, Jasmine and XTZ. Tezos, yeah, I just covered Tezos on the channel also. I saw that it was pumping, so I figured why not. She's looking good here. She's over the macro 382, bullish looking candles. 160 is your price to hold. The next big macro price to watch is the 0.5 at 224. Almost a 30% move. And if you want that other drawing, you go high to the low. Yeah, the 1272 is right below here. So 216 up to that larger level there, 224. But she's in real good shape here. Bottom is in on the macro, and it is bullish. Let's see here on the daily time frame. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. Yeah, pull back, move, pull back. Yeah, you can easily say there's a triangle pattern forming here on support, so she's about to start pumping again. Tezos to the moon doesn't look bad at all. Jasmine, yeah, Jasmine. Yep, exactly what we've been saying on Jasmine played out. It's crazy. Where's my... Okay. But yeah, she got over 3 pennies and went straight to 5, wicked above it. Right now you're getting stuck at the 382 at 5. You're trying to hold it, it looks like. They're right on it, but you can clearly see if we zoom out, it looks like it's getting stuck. So with that being said, as long as you're over 4.4, you're still bullish to try to push through 5 and hold 5. But yeah, she had a nice move out of that pattern there. Make this a little bigger so we can see it. It's like we're watching ants. Yeah, it came right up to the 1272 with a wick. Stuck at the 382 at the moment. So if you can get over 5.59, pretty much 6 pennies is your next target if you hold here. So she could easily, if she holds 5, pump 17%, and then even 36% over 7, and then 8.5, and then to the moon. But I appreciate the 4. Hopefully that helped. Oh yeah, we got 35 people in here. Yeah, we're just streaming on YouTube today. I didn't want to crash the computer. WorldCoin. What's up, Alex? You doubled your money on Jasmine in a few days. Nice. Yeah, I took that little bit I had on Jasmine and I put it over into DGen, and DGen's still good to go. She's about to start running. WorldCoin. WorldCoin high to the low, stuck right at the 0.5 at 391, 392. Bullish over the 382 at 3. Looking good here, but just simply getting stuck. Dang it. And just keep it simple. As long as you're over 319, you're still bullish. That's really all you can do here. Well, I guess we could pull it up. Where to go? Smaller time frame. Yeah, you're sitting right on this level here. So 2 or 336, and you're still bullish. And 392. Next stop up is 510. And once you get over 510 to 618, the move down and over is over. And then WorldCoin here, 16.6 billion market cap to 22 would be a 5.5x. I don't remember what the supply is right now, but I did put these on the chart. I just built this chart, by the way. Up to $48 with 35 billion market cap is a 12.5x. What I miss? Pluto for 199. I appreciate that. Appreciate the super chats from you guys. I haven't streamed in a couple of days, so I'm getting behind. What's up, Het? Tall guy. Rosh says Shib. Yeah, Richard, I agree. People get FOMO when they see these large green candles spawn again. They want to get in. They don't want to miss out. And a lot of times the large green candles are stuck at resistance, so. Can you check out Mora? What is Mora? Mora. Never heard of that one. Mora Games on Mexi. Yeah, time to FOMO in. She's pumping. Yeah, this thing just did. Excuse me. This thing went completely sideways for a good while. Wow, we've never heard of this one. Time to buy was in here. And if you look at it, same kind of formation, the bottom, and then it went over, and then she's going. She's stuck at the 382 right now. So another one with a green candle stuck at resistance at the moment. Price to beat is 9.6. You are over 6.8 here, so the macro bottom is in. So a nice move. Only other thing we can do with this one here, as long as you're over 8.2, you are bullish. But if you can get over 9.6, you're macro bullish. And then if this one's going to hit a new high, can this one come up to 7 pennies? I know nothing about this one. I'm going to have to build a chart off a stream. Because if I open up websites and pull up Deck Screener and anything else, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, there's a real good chance the stream will crash at that point. That XYO call, man, I made 150%, but sold too soon. Yeah, but you got to do what's best for you. Just take your money, take your profits, and put it into something else is all I can really say, not financial advice. My little bit of money I have, I'm trying to get it to pump this DGen. I just need a 2x on DGen. Lords, he says. AMP. Yeah, I know I'm getting behind here. Make sure I didn't miss any super chats. Yeah, hopefully that helped Pluto on this one here. Doesn't look bad. Very good looking chart. Pumped. Stuck at resistance. Once you get over the 618 at a penny and a half, this move is over and you can officially say it's in an uptrend. Let me see. What's up, Cha? Yeah, Deck Screener worked for me, but I'm just afraid that if I pulled it up, my internet here where I'm at currently is very weak Wi-Fi signal. Did I say that right? Signal. No, we can always attempt it, but all right. AMP. What else did someone say? Lords, AMP. Someone said. All right, SHIB and AMP. Yeah, I'm not even streaming on Twitter or Rumble because I didn't want to use too much. Yeah, SHIB broke out of our pattern here. We were looking at SHIB pumping out of this bullish pattern, which she did. Right now, it's stuck right at resistance, but not a bad looking candle. Came back and back tested perfectly. So once you break over 3-1 on SHIB, she's going to continue to run here. So potential for Shiba here. Once you get over 3-1, the next big macro stop is the 786 at 50. About a 60% move. And then high to the low. Yeah, and SHIB's another one that held the macro uptrend. Let's see here, high to the low. Oh yeah, you're above the 618, so it looks good here. Just need to push through the macro 618. And then Shiba, I think Shiba's going to hit 100 billion market cap. Maybe it goes higher. But now from today, about a 6x from today. 106 billion market cap potentially to 185. But we'll see. I don't know. We may go lower or we may go higher than people think. AMP. What's up, No Whack? Yeah, I'm doing okay. It's just that where I'm at now, I don't have very good service. I'm going to try to fix that when I can. It was working okay this morning. I did some updates and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to get on the stream. Not even streaming on anything else but YouTube. Revenue was taking a hit. AMP, double top, lower high. She's going to 0. Nah. She looks good here. Bottom formation, like everything else, get that decent run. Hit the 0.5 pretty much and got stuck. Let's see if I can get anything to work right. Hit the 786 low to the high, so pretty much the 12 up to 13. Once you get over that, you're in good shape. If it tops out here and pulls back the 382, as long as you stay over that, nice move to get you a real good step in the right direction over the double 382 here. But as long as you're over a penny, you're bullish here. You can clearly see that. Fall lower than a penny, then you could have the price drop 32%, but you'd still be macro and short-term bullish over 78. 0078 there. And then AMP to almost 2 billion market cap to 4.5 pennies is a 4x. And if you think you can hit a $33 billion market cap, that is a 37x to 42 pennies there. What's up, Everett, Maddie? I sound better than last time. Yeah. Just takes time. What's up, Jerry? Litecoin to the moon. Yeah, I'm just going to keep grinding away videos and live streams as much as I can. Yeah, I know you guys. Excuse me. Something I forgot. Yeah, I can't catch everything you guys are saying. Spell Lords. I remember those two. I think we've looked at Lords before. LRDS, is that it? Oh no, we're bearish. Lords, block Lords. I could have swore I looked at this thing before. This something new? Lords. I mean, it's been holding up. The internet's been holding up today for some reason. I don't know if it's the cold weather, but we can attempt to pull up deck screener if need be. But if at any point we crash, I'll do my best to get it back up and going. But if it does it more than once, we're going to end it. So Lords here is sitting right on top of the 236 high to the low. So the macro bottom is in over 7.1. Price to beat is 9.1 here, 92 pennies. Once you get over 92, you're macro bullish. As long as you hold support here, 27% move up. Once you get over that, the big price, usually when you get over the 382, it'll send you up to the 618. About a 92% move. Once you get over about 137, this whole move is over and you're officially in an uptrend here. But you said you're bullish on Lords here. 5.5, close to a 6x if it can make it to a new high at about 420. Block Lords to 420. But if it's going to remain, or continue the bullish path here, I would say, off of the uptrend you can clearly see here, it needs to come up and make a higher high. So that may be that 618. So you may be getting ready to pump up about 92%. What did I know I missed something. LCX looks good. We got Charlie for 2. How's it going, Charlie? Barrio. Barrio. You say this was the base gaming platform or something like that? Or trying to be? Yeah, it's still stuck at the 1272 at 3.3, so high to the low. It hit that new high. Doesn't look bad here. Well, let me fix this. Let me fix this real quick. Come on. All right, so 0033 is the price to beat. What is this, 3-day candles? Are we back? Are we back? We jinxed it. We started talking about it and it happened. Yeah, we're back here. We're back now. I mentioned the bird happens again, I'll probably- Yeah, we lost everyone. It's only 16 people here. Eldor for 5 says AOS to $10. Yeah, hopefully you saw what I was saying about Barrio. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. But just a quick recap, you need to get over 3.3 to continue to run up to 4.4. As long as you're over the previous high at 0.0186 here, the overall chart looks very good. Low to the high, that is your 236, so you are bullish over that. And then one smaller one to watch here, try to get this in while we're live. As long as you're over 259, you are bullish here on Barrio. I appreciate the 5, Eldor. Can AIs go to $10? I don't remember what our targets are. AIs is sitting pretty over 119 there. Previous high looks very good. $10. Our target is the 9.3 billion market cap to 830. Maybe it goes above it and hits 10, but a 5.5x there. But yeah, we're live still, huh? What's up, Sam, Vlad, Matthew? He says hurry and put 50 on XCN coin. My little $50 is on DGen at the moment. I got out of Jasmine, put it on DGen. Jasmine ran, and now I'm just gonna hold till DGen runs. You got in a MOG coin when it came out yesterday? Careful, you might have bought a scam. Illuvium. Oh, come on, get off my screen. We don't have time to play around here. What is going on with Illuvium? Why do I have so many lines on here? Yeah, I don't know what these lines are. Didn't we just look at Illuvium? High to the low, you're coming up on the 236. Not a bad looking bottom there. High to the low here, you're right at the 0.5. So if you can stay above 70, next stop is the macro 80 up to 85. And then once you get through that, short term, this is over. And then you can move up. But it looks good here. It's still pumping. It's above, right at the 0.5. Next stop up to put the macro bottom is a 14% move. And even up to 85, like I said, for a 22% move. And then you'll focus your attention on the macro 3-2 at that point, potentially up to 147. But Illuvium, like everything else, bottom formation. This is one of the ones that did the formation, dumped one last time, and now she went. Illuvium to a 618 retracement up to 393 would be a 5.5x, and then the 786 retracement for this one, 11x, 4.2 billion market cap up to 790. I don't know where Illuvium's going. It's up 25% on the week. The new high on this one, $5,900. Is that possible? 29, 30 billion market cap. That's your moonshot. That's an 83x on Illuvium. I think I would like the 786 retracement. Get your 10x and get out. But yeah, I would guess there's a potential for it to hit $10. You said you bought MOG coin when it came out yesterday. MOG coin's been out for a while. It's already done a 200 plus X, almost a 300X, I think. So if you bought MOG that everyone's talking about right now, it's probably something new and it's probably a scam. I don't know what you bought. Cats and Dogs says ACH. Yeah, I like ACH. My target for ACH, I think it's going to 60 cents. Right now, the same bottom formation over the 236, pumped up, hit resistance at the trend, and the 0.5 at 4.1. So it needs to get over 4 pennies, and then you're in a real good spot on ACH. But right now, simply stuck at resistance. So there is always the chance it could pull back. Depends on what the market's going to do. I think Bitcoin's still over 100K. So we'll see what happens here. If this thing pushes through, like I said, you're in real good shape. Over the 618 at 6 pennies, then the uptrend is officially confirmed, even though it's been up for a while now. But if you do pull back, the 236 is at 3 pennies. So you could drop back down about 20% here, 19%, and still be bullish. Well, if you can get through 4 over the 0.5, you're in good shape. And then 60 cents on ACH is my target. 4.8 billion market cap, and now from today after she's pumped up, 16.5x on ACH. So it's not too late to get in on ACH, just because I think it's going there. Oh, you're talking about, yeah, it just got listed on Coinbase. So yeah, you bought the right one. If it's on Coinbase, you ain't got to worry. They're not going to list a scam. But they list these coins after they already do 200, 300 X's. So they say they're fixing to list Turbo, and what Turbo's done, I don't even know. What's up, TJ? T-Jaws. Have you done vet yet? Also, how do you super chat donate? I don't see an option on the feed. There should be a button on the chat. A little, I don't even know what it is. Someone tell him. It's a little button on there where you just click the little $sign or something. And then there's also Cash App and a bunch of wallet addresses in the description if you want to send crypto or a Cash App donation. I'm not saying you have to, I'm just letting you know that's there. Vet, I guess. What is Vet doing? I saw FET was pumping. FET looked really good where it was. Just like we've been saying, like on Arrow and stuff. FET's about to go to the moon. Vet V-Chain is above the 0.5. Nice move here. Let's see, we pull the trend up. We can push the narrative and say it's getting stuck at the trend. Could be. But you're above the 0.5 at 6, so as long as you're above 6, 8.7 is the price to beat. Same thing, formation here, and then it pumped. Like I keep saying on all the streams, we should have just bought everything that had this bottom formation being put in here. Almost, there's hardly anything that's moved. Even the one I've been talking about, Beefy Finance. If DGen would have pumped, I would have rolled over into Beefy Finance, because Beefy Finance, it already left though. So I missed that one. But yeah, 0.5236, same spot. 5.7 up to 6, 5.5 up to 6, you're bullish here. Once you push through the 618 at 8.7, get over the trend, over the 618, and you're in real good shape at that point. But yeah, V-Chain doesn't look bad where it is right now. V-Chain to the new high, 1272, 64 pennies, 9.5x for 46.5 billion market cap. And that lines up with the older coins doing 5 to 10x's, so it doesn't look bad. We got Dizzle Knob. Can you do media network? Yes, we can. I appreciate the 2. Yeah, not streaming for a couple days, man. I took a hit on the channel. We're still growing sub-wise, but when you don't do this constantly and grind away, you can take a hit real quick, which I cannot afford right now, but internet's going to be the way it is, so what are you going to do? Okay, we're locked. But same thing on Media Network. I believe this one is a Coinbase coin, if I remember correctly. Held the uptrend, held the pattern. It's over the 382, so as long as you're over 15, got stuck perfectly at the 0.5. As long as you're over 15, 21 pretty much is the price to beat here. Then once you get over 21, and then once this thing breaks over the 618 at 29.30 bucks, 60% move, not only is this all over officially, can chart here. She needs to run up and make a new high, so Next big leg up, 786 retracement, 150% move on this one. And then the targets we have for this one, the 1272, a 45 million market cap, which is really nothing when you think about the overall market. That's pretty much a 10x, 183, 1272 new high for a 45 million market cap. I don't know anything about the supply or anything like that, but. And then 127 million up to 484 is a decent. $165x to $3,000. Is that possible? Oh no. Are we live? My screen just glitched. Did you guys hear that about media? All right, you can hear me, Boxy? We almost lost it there. All right, I appreciate that. When anything glitches at all, I'm like, oh, we're going down. It's Herbal Gaming Studios says G-Gen is pumping. Is it? I haven't looked at my wallet. Oh, yeah, I just did a GST update. What am I looking at? ICP, someone said. Spell token, render. ICP, spell token, and render. Disselknop for 2 says your microphone keeps going in and out. Yeah, everything just starts spinning and glitching here every time the signal gets really weak. So that just tells me if we can stay live here, there's no way we're pulling up deck screen or anything else. I appreciate the 2 though. Yeah, let me get into this real quick. ICP and then something else. I don't remember what you guys said. It throws me off with this, the internet doing it and things spinning like it's doing now. Come on now. Yeah, the signals are really weak right now. Can't even get this to pull up anything. We're dead in the water for a minute. Trading news just not doing anything. So hold off on super chats because there's no telling what's going to happen here. Eldor for 2 STX to $30. Yeah, we'll look at that in just a moment. Media Network again, Dizzle Knob again for 2. You were in and out, do media again. What's up, Tiger? Yeah, we did Jazz Me. LCX. If I can get this to pull anything up. I just did an update on SUKU, so if we don't get to it, it isn't a brand new update on the channel. But yeah, Media Network here doesn't look bad. It's over the 382, stuck at the 0.5. So once you get over 21, it should send you up to the 618 and potentially a new high here. But once you get over 29 to 30, you can see this is where you couldn't get over all back here. You're not only going to be confirmed this move down and sideways is over, but you can officially say this thing's in an uptrend here and really bullish over 30 here. But as long as you're over the 382 at 15, 21's the price to beat, a 12% move. And then if you move up there, that's a 56% move. And then, like I said, once you get over that, it looks good. It held the macro uptrend. It formed the same bottom formation here. It looks extremely good. But I don't know if you heard it earlier. What I said was I need to look more into media network. This is a low market cap on Coinbase, if I remember correctly. And for this thing to come up to a 45 million market cap, new high 1272 at 183, that is a pretty much 10x there. Yeah, just making sure you guys can still hear me. So is this thing really going to do these multipliers? I don't know what the market cap is right now, but a 26x up to the 1618 at 480, 127 million market cap. So I think those are good targets. I would take a 10x here. And then your moonshot would be the 750 million market cap, 165x to $3,000. Is that possible on media? Like I said, I don't know what media is. I need to go look into it, I guess. What's up, metal detecting? Good to see you back here. Did you see the SUKU news? Yeah, you said they're partnering with Coinbase, I think. Can STX hit 30 bucks, he says. All right, we're loading again. Let's bang some of these out while we can. The LCX looks good here. It's over the macro 786. Nice pump. As long as you're over 35, you're good. Needs to break the previous high here, though. That's the only concerning thing. But we saw LCX drop, hit the bottom, 618, 382, bounce back over 15. And it's in a good spot right now. I wouldn't worry too much. As long as you're over 35 on LCX. Yeah, I would just keep an eye on that 786 on the macro. Well, let me bring that back up. Yeah, it's almost lined up, so come on. As long as you're holding over this, the next big leg up, once you break that previous high at about, what is that, 39.40, about 40, that should send you up to a new high. 80-90% move, maybe a little higher. But yeah, LCX doesn't look bad here. STX. $20. I don't know why these are over there like that. Same thing here. Held the trend. The structure was formed. She's pumping. Once we break through the previous high and then this high here, which it will at some point. But our target here is a 30 billion market cap up to 1960, so maybe it hits $20. 30 bucks would be a 10.5x. But I like that target there. More conservative prices would be 11, 3.5x up to 11 bucks. And then the billion market cap, which is more likely than not going to get hit, 2.5x, so that's what 11 billion. But it looks good here. But I say 20 bucks, I guess. What's up, Fireman? What's up, No YB? Says, look at Peg. What is Peg on? We can't go to deck screener, my man. My internet is too weak where I'm at. Maybe you're lucky. Maybe it's on here. I don't know if this is the same one. Is this it at 283? Nothing to see here, nothing to say here. Daily candles going to the moon. There's no wick. Giant green candle, so everyone pile in. Chase the green candle. It's FOMO time. Yeah, if this is it, I know we were looking at it on Deck Screener, but 1618 over 270, you're bullish. Next stop is $3. Another 10% move, you get over 350's next. So is DGen really moving? Yeah, DGen's my only play right now. I need a 2x out of it. I need to 2x my $50. I gotta get the ball rolling already. This is ridiculous. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, come on, DGen, break out of here for me. Yeah, she's starting to pump here, but we're watching her in this pattern here, sitting on the 618 and the 382 support inside of a falling wedge pattern. How can you not be more bullish than that? She's about to run again. You're over the 236 high to the low at 1.9, and then once you get over 2.2, you're bullish, and that will pretty much confirm the breakout. But hopefully it does something like this again, where it turned bullish and it just went. What's up, Sam? Let's see, what did I miss? Yeah, can't wait to see where a lot of these things go about in this bull run. Rosh says, what about High Street Coin? I haven't looked at that in a while. Yeah, we looked at Jasmine already. Jasmine, let's see here. As long as you can hold 5 pennies, hold over the 3.2, this thing's still macro bullish. Confirmed, and it just looks good here. But there's a large wick above up to the 1272 high to the low. So 5 pennies is the big price right now on Jasmine. If you can hold 5, then you're in good shape. You see there's a lot of potential targets here to hit along the way. Just hit the 1272. So if we hold here and start moving again, of course we'll cover it and look at it. But there's a lot of targets you could hit. But the next macro stop up is 12.5. And then Jasmine to $1. But on the macro, next big leg up, 145% move to 12.4. And then 6x up to the 14 billion market cap to 30. That's most people's targets. And then you can see what was once a 50x, then a 40x, now is a 21x. 50 billion market cap to $1.10. Yeah, Swift Coin's on my list. It'll be updated probably tomorrow. But yeah, Swift Coin's in the same boat. me see. I can't really see what's going on here. Oh, Swift Coin's in a good spot here. This is one of the ones that blew through the previous trend. So it's in a real good spot. As long as you're over 8.3, let's move that one out of the way. Previous high on our OKX chart. Sitting pretty in a good spot. A lot of support here with the trend and the top. Now, I'd be bearish on it if it does end up falling back below the trend here, back below 0083, then you may have a problem. But low to the high, yeah, I need to get back over 8.8 to be bullish once again, but it's, you know, in the same spot here. 8.8 up to 1.2, 1 penny, and then you're good to go. High Street. Yeah, we'll go look at High Street. We got Cameron for 2. Says Q&T is going strong and we're looking for a big move. Alex says he bought some Swift today. Yeah, Swift's in a good spot. It should hold up here. H-bar giving me a 6x. That must be nice. What's up, Patrick? How you doing? What did we say? Q&T, he says. Oh yeah, we had to find the Q&T chart last time. Oh no, I left too many on here. All right, I should have fixed this already, but wow. Damn, where's our Q&T chart? Ah, there it is. Let me go ahead and get all these other phonies off. Yeah, Q&T. She's over the 0.5. We watched Q&T for so long on the monthly chart just because it told a better picture what potentially is going to play out, and that's what played out. So you're above the 0.5 at 140. Broke these previous highs back here. This thing's in real good shape right now. So keep it simple. The next big macro leg up is the 618 at 188.90. And then once you get through that, 286 for about an 87% move here. But on the macro chart here, the monthly, it looks really good. Yeah, I remember talking about this back here. Wanted to get a couple of Q&T. Just need 5 to 10 Q&T back there. But yeah, even on the weekly, it looked good. What was I gonna do? The only other thing we can really do would be that. So if you end up falling back below the 0.5 at 140, as long as you're over 124, you're macro bullish here. Make sure I am not missing anything. Oh wow. Got Patrick for 5 memberships. That makes 6 today. I appreciate that, my man. 5 more memberships for people out there. Appreciate that. You guys appreciate the memberships. So I don't have to put you in timeout. Oh yeah, spell. Someone said spell earlier. We got T-Jaws for 10. Thank you, bud. Best of luck with your transition from Jasmine to Degen. Hope she is good to you as she has been to me. I appreciate that, my man. Yeah, I just need a little 2x pump out of Degen. And then I'm going to try to roll that over into something else that hasn't moved or looks extremely bullish. I'm just going to 2x my way up to the top. look for little 100% moves, and then once it 2x's, I'm gonna get out, find something else that looks bullish, and just keep rotating. It's really the only game plan I got right now. I appreciate the 10, my man. I appreciate that a lot. Dennis for 5. Safe shift. 1 billion total supply. 377 million locked circulating supply with burn mechanism. Lowest market cap on Coinbase. Yeah, we cover Fox all the time. We're bullish on Fox. I appreciate the 5. Appreciate that. Let's see, Fox. Was Fox the one that was gearing up to go? I never know if it's... I always get Fox and GFI mixed up. What is going on here? Oh, we're on the 4-hour. Oh, yeah, she did pump. Nice to see. Yeah, we've been watching Fox here in the bullish pattern after it broke the downtrend. Got above the 236. It consolidated in the pattern, and now she moved. Stuck at the first resistance, but we've seen this many, many times. To where to get stuck. It could very well pull back and back test. Dang it, we're down. Are we live? Oh, the music got quiet, so I got scared. But yeah, so Fox here is going to be more bullish than we think it is. I didn't know about the burn mechanism and all that. But yeah, once you punch through 8, excuse me, 8.7, that'll send you up to the 0.5 here. So from where you are right now, even if you come back and back test, you can see you could drop 20%. Jasmine did the same thing, but it broke the downtrend, back tested, and now we know what happened with that. But once you get up over 8.7 here, 17% move, the next big price to watch is 14.5 and the trend here, 90% move. So you could pump 90% and you're going to get stuck here. But once you finally do get over that, Fox shapeshift here is in a real good spot at that point. And then once you get over the 618 at 2.3, 143 million market cap at that point. From where you are today in price, that's a 3x, so not bad. 286 million market cap, potentially. Hopefully these are right. Every time I check CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, there's always different numbers on everything. And then people come into the videos and they complain, oh my God, you got the market caps wrong. The world's going to end. So not a big deal, but you get the idea. So a 286 million, 786 retracement to 46.47 pennies is a 6.5x almost. But if everything you say, 2 billion market cap, Coinbase coin, 350, this could be the target, 2 billion market cap and a 46x on Fox. And don't they also have something to do with MetaMask? If I remember correctly. Alex is holding 5K in DGen. Jeez. You about to make some money, my man. Sensei is absolutely ripping today. Have we looked at Sensei? Oh yeah, I guess we have. Oh. Dang, is this the last time we looked at it? Our little pattern here didn't play out. It came back down and then went. Like I said, not everything's going to work out perfectly. Yeah, this thing's getting stuck right now at the previous high. It wicked above it, so that's good. But you are stuck at 0.08. So at resistance right now, but you made a higher high. But yeah, hopefully you're making some money on this one. So pretty much 786, 236 from that bottom. If we go here, we'll take it to here. Be a little more bullish on the price. As long as you're above 0.059, you're still bullish, so you could pull back and then push through. Always could be the case. Drop 25% and then go to the moon. I guess this is this. Is that correct? Man, this thing had a huge run. 52 million market cap is going to be the next stop on this thing. 90% move up to a penny and a half. Wonder why we don't have more on here. But yeah, she's ripping. Is the music too loud? You prefer it without the music? Are you talking about the stream? I can always turn it down. I can't hear it on y'all's end. There's that better. Turned her down a couple notches. Or you guys can't hear the music. Do I have it too low? Got Carlitos for 5. Says Mudang, please. I appreciate that. Mudang. Yeah, Mudang's on Coinbase. I don't think we have a chart here. We have it over on Deck Screener, so let's see what we can pull up. Is there a Coinbase chart yet? Crypto.com, Coinex, Mexi, and Coinex may be the best charts. Or the crypto. We'll check. What is the market cap right now on this thing? All right, so the same chart here. But I always use the weekly, 3-day and weekly charts. Sometimes we look at the monthly. But yeah, I appreciate you move that out of the way. Yeah, can you guys hear the music? Moodin, schmoodang. Yeah, this thing went to the moon, like to the moon. I don't know if this is the full chart, but if you look at it on Deck Screener, it's just ridiculous. Oh, no. All right. Can you hear the music now? It's been on this whole time. Yeah, it's at the same level it always is. I'm just going to leave it. But yeah, this one. High to the low. You're over the previous high. You're down below the 1272. You hit it twice, double top. Udang is done. She is going to 0. So potential right now, as long as you're below 57, drop 26%. But if we simply go low to the high, 236 is right there. Price was getting squeezed, and then it popped. So as long as you're over 39.5, 40 cents here, you're good. And then the price to beat, of course, is 57, and then up to the next high at 70.5. Pretty much 73. 53% move. Once you can get over, I'm trying to get this smaller one off. But once you get over the 1.4 at 73, you're in good shape. Because right now, like I said, you did just double top lower high. That could tell you the price is going to come down, but you are holding higher lows. overall right now it looks bullish. So if it's going to continue the trend it's on, next big stop up, it could be moving up 118, 120% soon to make a higher high at 104. That could be the case. Let's see here. Yeah, I just like it to be on in the background, just barely, so that when there's silence, it's just not complete silence. But yeah, I know it's annoying when someone's doing charting and there's music playing. All right, back, back. Oh, I think it's a sign to end the stream, I guess. Can you guys hear me? Dizzle knob for 2. Can you check out time, Chronotech? If you guys can hear me, hopefully. It's so unfortunate when that happens. Yeah, the last stream that happened on, when there's dead silence in there, or there was just dead silence for a moment, there's nothing on the screen and just a couple of the music playing in the background. These people try to steal money from me because I'll get a copyright strike out of nowhere from some company. God knows where they are. Yeah, I'm gonna move that. That doesn't look like anything. I don't know why that's there. But yeah, time doesn't look bad. They'll just randomly tag people for copyrights on videos, and if you don't do anything about it, then you're sharing your revenue with them. But yeah, time here is down below the 236. Same formation on the bottom. It's over the 382, so you are bullish, getting stuck right now at the 0.5. You could call that a triangle pattern here, so it doesn't look bad at all. It looks like it's about to go. So 25 is the price to beat, 22 is the price to hold. You're at 24.5. And then once you get over the 618 at 29.60, up to the 236 at 31.80, macro bottom is confirmed in. But like I said, it looks good where it is right now. It looks like it's about to go again, or go. 29% move potentially in the works here. And what did we just draw? I don't remember. And if we go high to the low, yeah, that's what we just went over. Yeah, you're over the 382, so short term 2370, you're still bullish. Macro bottom in over 31.80, bullish over 55. And where's this thing going to? 786 retracement in a bull market, 10.5x, 182 million market cap, 257. But that's the target we have here. Matthew for 2. I appreciate that. Welcome back, brother. XCN coin, please. I appreciate the 2. Trying to squeeze these in here before we get kicked off again. Hopefully by the weekend I'll have a better setup. Have we never looked at XCN? Are you kidding me? Wait, what did you say? Yeah, we're gonna have to end it. It's not working right anymore. Hopefully DGen goes up and makes us money, Spell and everything else going up. Yeah, until I get a better setup. All right, are we here? I'm trying to squeeze in XCN here. XCN. Because we're just not doing good at all here on the stream. XCN. She's streams, I will be traveling and hopefully get into a better setup here. But XCN high to the low needs to get over the 236 at however many zeros, 5-6 there. And then high to the low here. Yeah, you're over the 618, so this little short-term downwards move over 3-0. As long as you're over that, that is over now. Just need to push through and hold that and push through 569 here.
Sorry about
Sorry about that. I'll be back on a stream probably Sunday, hopefully, maybe Saturday night. But I appreciate all you guys coming in here. Appreciate the love, the super chats, everything. It's awesome. And with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.